Chronic knee pain forces your world to shrink. Every step becomes a calculated risk, and operating under constant grinding friction is exhausting. Finding relief requires a two-part mechanical intervention, actively strengthening the support structures around the knee and physically stretching the tight tissues that pull the joint out of alignment. We are following a specific 8-step blueprint today. We will execute 5 distinct strengthening exercises, followed immediately by 3 targeted stretching exercises. Set up a flat mat, grab a rolled towel, and clear some space near a wall. Throughout this routine, there is one absolute rule. Every movement you make must remain entirely pain-free. Pushing past the pain threshold does not accelerate healing. It actually triggers your body's tissue defense mechanisms, causing muscles to lock up further. Treat this session as a controlled precision recovery tool. This diagram shows our first target. For exercise 1, quad activation, place your rolled towel under your knee. Methodically push the back of your knee down into the towel, contracting the quadricep muscles to stabilize the kneecap. We will perform 5 rounds of 10-second holds. Press down and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let go and relax. Repeat this sequence 4 more times. This 10-second hold forces your muscle fibers to recruit fully and build endurance. Because there is no heavy movement, it places 0 shear stress on the fragile joint. Next is exercise 2, the front thigh press. This secondary movement compounds the anterior activation we just achieved. You will press down similarly, but focus on engaging the muscle slightly higher up the thigh. Complete your 5 sets of 10-second holds now. As you press and hold, maintain continuous rhythmic breathing. Do not hold your breath during the contraction. Activating these anterior muscles creates a biological shock absorber for the kneecap. This drastically reduces the structural impact your joint takes during daily activity. We now shift focus to the posterior chain at the back of the leg. For exercise 3, hamstring strengthening, keep your leg extended and push your heel backward down into the floor. Maintain that downward pressure for 10 seconds across 5 rounds. As you hit the final repetitions, keep the pressure steady. Don't let the fatigue break your form. For exercise 4, move to a standing position. Place your hands on your waist and elevate up onto your toes. The force travels from the ball of the foot through the calf and helps lock the knee into alignment. Lift your heels and pause at the peak for 10 seconds. You are fighting gravity here to build endurance. Complete 5 rounds of this peak hold. A strong calf complex acts as a secondary brake for the leg. It helps prevent excessive lateral wobble when you move forward. We finish the strength block with exercise 5, leg lifts. Keep your leg perfectly straight as you lift it to protect the joint while you finish your final 5 rounds of 10-second holds. Balancing tension across the quads, hamstrings, and calves creates a stable muscular sleeve. This 360-degree support helps stabilize the knee in a neutral position, counteracting the uneven pulls that typically lead to pain. With the strength work complete, we move into the stretching phase. We are making a critical shift from building muscular tension to actively dismantling it. Exercise 6 is the thigh and hip stretch. Ease into the position and perform 5 rounds of 10-second holds on each side. If this hip rotation causes any sharp pain, immediately reduce the angle of the stretch until the sensation is strictly a muscle pull, not joint pain. Release and move to exercise 7, the bent knee stretch. This targeted release opens up the tight posterior tissues behind the legs. If you have severe mobility restrictions, keeping your knees physically bent lowers the tension on the joint while still releasing the target muscle. For our final movement, move to a wall for the calf stretch. Place your foot up against the vertical plane while keeping your heel planted on the floor. Gently lean your body weight forward into the wall. Hold for 10 seconds across 5 full rounds. Releasing this chronic tissue tension removes the pulling forces that actively compress and grind the knee joint long after the exercise stops. Let go and relax. You have completed the biomechanical session. You've just completed an 8-part, 40-hold mechanical reset. 5 strength vectors engaged, 3 tension releases completed, 0 pain points crossed. This 6-minute sequence serves as the blueprint for the daily architectural maintenance of your body. Consistency ensures these resets translate into long-term structural stability. If you know someone suffering from mechanical joint issues, share this specific routine with them. Click the link in the description below to join our community for protocol updates and systems for building better health habits. Long-term relief is found in the disciplined, daily application of targeted mechanical load and precise tension release. Keep practicing, and I will see you in the next session.